The AMG Black Series models have for long been the ultimate series in any AMG range, with the likes of the C63 Black, SLS AMG Black and other models only available in extremely limited quantities. As such, these highly desirable models have enjoyed continued appreciation in value. As an example, the SLS Black Series is now fetching around $1.5 million in the private market, more than double its original new price. Mercedes Australia will update the GT range with facelift GTS, GTC, and GTR from the third quarter of this year, but has left out the GTR Pro model in anticipation of demand for GT Black Series. The car's official title is yet to be decided. It will either be GTR Black Series or, simply, GT Black Series. According to Mercedes-Benz Australia's boss of product communications Jerry Stimoli's, the reason for the Pro's omission for our market is due to a number of factors. Firstly, the car is already sold out, due to a limited production run of 750 vehicles. Also, there has been a low level of local demand, with the race-ready GT4 and GT3 models attracting those with a track focus. In addition, Car Advice believes those Australian customers who may have gone for the GTR Pro are holding off in anticipation of the Black Series arrival. The reason why the demand for GTR Pro was low was that the type of AMG customers that buy AMG GT R are more than content with the power and dynamics and the odd track day, but for those that do 2 or more track days, they are looking for opportunity with GT3 and GT4 now, but those same customers know that there is an exciting model to come. It remains to be seen when the GTR Black Series will make its debut, but we suspect the Frankfurt Motor Show in September will likely be the stage used that will put it on its way to Australian shores in 2020. Power and torque will come from the same 4.0-litre V8 engine, but likely heavily modified. It will also likely debut extreme bodywork in line with previous generation Black Series models. It remains to be seen how many GTR Black Series models will be brought into Australia. In terms of pricing, we suspect the car will be around $700,000 on the road.